Crypto Flash Cloud Mining Program. The most efficient program on the market today. Now I will show you how to mine USDT TRC20. Run cryptoflash.exe. Select USDT mining. Enter USDT TRC20 address. Then select the mining speed based on your hardware and internet speed and click Start Mining. Beware of fakes, because scammers are not sleeping and want to steal your data. Download proven Crypto Flash from software. The official Telegram bot, pflash_bot. Link under the video in the comment or description. 1 day of test free of charge, further on $500 per week. To get the test 1 day, follow the link in the official bot. Select Test 1 Day. Download the Crypto Flash archive. Unzip the archive and run the installer by entering from the txt file readme. Get a 1 day via the link in the comment or below this video. Have a good mining.